If you're wondering what is paver stone, you've come to the right place. Paver is becoming increasingly popular as an architectural structure. These are beautiful, durable material that is used as exterior flooring. To create paver stone, concrete is poured into a molder and colored with an agent. It comes in a pattern to create the desired look. You can find them in many colors, and different types of this material. Natural stone is quarried in an endless array of colors, styles, and textures. The material can be cut into virtually any shape, although more complex cuts may raise the cost. Typically, it is square or rectangular in shape, with hexagonal or other irregular shapes available. Pavers can also be designed to resemble old-fashioned cobblestone or weathered stone. There are several types of paver available to match any decor or landscape. When used as pavement, pavers can add elegance to any yard. The stone's shapes and designs add a natural, earthy vibe to any yard. These durable materials have been used in construction for centuries, even in ancient Rome. The Romans even built roads out of these paved materials. Pavers are an excellent choice for a wide variety of applications.